Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the Blood, Sweat and Gears YouTube channel. My name's stingyrogerr and today I got a sick video for you.
I might think they're better than the Fox 40s.
So I've been sent these forks by Fastace to test out. As you know, I've got the Bomber 58 forks on. I'm also going to be meeting up with another guy today, Will from WGT Racing, who's got the Fox 40s. I'm going to put these forks to the test. So first of all, what I've got to do is I've got to take off the Bombers and get these on. So bear in mind the original forks weighed 5 kilos. These actually weigh 2.77 kilograms. So excluding the top crown on the Fastace forks, this will settle in a second, 4.7 kilograms. So basically double the weight of the expensive Bomber 58 forks, but still lighter than the standard Surron and Talaria D&M forks. So as you can see, the forks are on, they look really good. But yeah, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to head out on the bike. I'm going to hit some trails, hit some jumps. Going to meet up with Rondon, put them up against these Fox 40s, and I'll also give you a rundown on the GoPro, what I think of these compared to my Bomber 58s. So let's go. Now I'm going over these humps, trying to lift the wheel, doing wheelies, jumping over them completely, and nothing seems to phase the fork. Later on in the day I actually did a 30 foot to flat jump. The forks didn't bottom out. The shock on the back, which is an EXT, did take most of the brunt actually, and did feel like it was struggling more than the fronts. Now I've tried the EXT forks, the EXT Ferros, tried them a few weeks ago, and I haven't got a video on them, but these Fastace forks, the 2.0s with the 60-pound spring, actually feel better. Can't believe I'm saying this because of the price point. They are way under £1,000, well, I think they're about £600, but yeah, I'm really impressed with them. Just as a little disclaimer guys, you know I'm brutally honest about products. I've said some things about other products on the channel before, batteries, controllers, etc. These forks genuinely blew me away. I did not expect them to be this good. Now, if you do want to buy a set, use the code below, which is @stingyrogerr with 2 R's, and click the discount link in the description. But make sure you do this. It helps me with future collaborations, and it helps me bring more content to the channel to help you guys build your perfect bikes and not waste money buying stuff you don't need. We've just been to the cool mounds, hit the jumps a bit, and now we're going to head to some trails over to his compound. Yeah, so let you lead the way. So yeah, we've got the Fastace forks on, as you would have just seen in all that cool cinematic shots. They're actually really good. I actually think they're better than the Bomber 58s with the 60-pound spring. I did hit a few jumps and land nose heavy, and usually on the Bomber 58s that will soak up all the travel and then kind of spring you at the end where it's an airport. This soaked it up and kept me balanced on the bike, which is really good. And this adjustment dial, there is a massive difference between like the different firmnesses, which is really good because you can have it really supple for when you're hitting the trails, and then if you're going to do some big jumps you can really ramp it up. But again, these are the 2.0 forks, which I think are completely different. Oh yeah, they feel great. But yeah, these are the 2.0 forks, which do differ from the ones you've got on your Talaria Sting MX4 or the Fastace forks if you've got them in the past, the 1.0s. So bear that in mind, they are an upgrade even if you do have the MX4. Phil has tried my bike out and he said that these do feel better than his Fox 40s as well on the bike for the application.
As soon as I got on them, I felt how plush they were, and honestly, I might think they're better than the Fox 40s.
Yeah, I think they're better than my Bombers.
For the money as well.
Yeah.
They feel very solid, so
yeah. So what we're going to do now is head down this trail. There's a tree down there, by the way, so don't go ploughing into it. And then at the end of this, we'll chuck a left and we'll be in the compound side of the woods. So, do you want to lead or I lead? All right.
Oh. Didn't see that drop. It's getting dark though, so apologies if it's a bit dim on the GoPros. Bit muddy down here, boy. I haven't fiddled around with any of the damping settings on these, such as the rebound, but I think I'm going to leave them exactly how they are. They feel very intuitive to me, and then when I'm bracing myself for impact and then springing back up again, they just feel right. So I'm going to leave them how they are. Trust that they've been set up perfectly from the factory. Also, Will behind me, I've put his YouTube channel on the screen now. Ron Don, he did do a video last summer with me and my brother. That was his first and only video, but he's filming right now for his channel, so go check him out, show him some love. And yeah. Oh, the smell. That one. Let's try these Fastace forks on that one. So I just got home. We are actually losing daylight. It's almost 5 PM. I've just done 4.5 hours on the Fastace forks. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video useful. The forks are genuinely amazing and they're definitely going to be staying on the bike, so expect to see them in every single video from now on. They're so good even that my brother's asked for a pair. So Fastace, if you're watching this, please send me another set so I can put it on my second bike. But yeah, I've got another review coming soon for the channel. It's actually a controller for the MX3. So stay tuned and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.